Yahoo, it worked. And now it's burning. It's an incense. It's supposed to burn. The more you blow it, the hotter it gets. I see something cool. Check it out. Do not play with lighters unless you know how to do it, kids. And don't try what I'm about to do. Okay, bye. Check it out. Never hold the camera too close to a lighter. Woohoo! Ready, ready, ready. Boom. Blew it out. You're awesome, okay? Because you're watching this video. And since you're watching this video, I'm going to give you a little present. And guess what? You know what's even cooler? It's not this teddy bear. I don't know what it is. Oh, look, fire. Don't watch the videos or you'll die.